Which end mill is actually good for aluminum? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Genmitsu 40 PCS end mill set. First up, we have the Genmitsu 40 PCS end mills CNC router bits. Priced at $63.99, this set caught my attention with its impressive variety and durability. If you want a solid all-around set for machining aluminum, this is worth a serious look. The Genmitsu end mills are crafted from ultra-fine 0.2 micrometers tungsten carbide steel, giving them the strength to endure continuous machining for up to 800 minutes. The nano blue and titanium coatings not only enhance heat resistance, but also help maintain sharpness, which is crucial for clean cuts. With both two flute flat nose and ball nose designs, you have versatility at your fingertips, perfect for various projects. Plus, it's compatible with most desktop CNC machines, making it a go-to choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll get consistent, high-quality results without the worry of your bits dulling too quickly. Now, some people complained about the variety being overwhelming, especially if you only need a specific size. Here's the thing though, having options can actually save you trips to the store, allowing for more creativity in your projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive solution for aluminum machining. Skip this one if you only need a single size, as the variety might feel excessive for you. Considering its features, it's a solid value for anyone serious about their work. Now, if having too many options is a concern for you, the next one might actually be more streamlined. Product number 2, Jollily 1/2 Carbide Square End Mill. Next, we have the Jollily 1/2 Carbide Square End Mill, available for $26.59. This caught my eye because of its solid reputation and affordability. If you want something reliable without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. This end mill is made from micro-grain carbide, which is known for its hardness and durability. The Altienne coating provides excellent hot hardness, which is crucial when machining aluminum that tends to generate heat. It's designed for a range of materials, including carbon and alloy steels, making it a great multi-purpose tool. With 4 flutes, it offers high rigidity, ideal for shallow slots and profile milling. Here's why this matters for you. It allows for smoother cuts, reducing the chances of chipping or breaking, which is especially important when you want clean edges in your aluminum projects. However, some users reported that it can struggle with deeper cuts. Here's the thing. If you're primarily doing shallow milling, this won't be a deal breaker. But if you need depth, you might want to consider something else. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option for general use. Skip this one if you need to make deeper cuts regularly. For the price, it offers a great value for everyday machining tasks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Astronomy 10 PCS 4 Flute End Mill Set. The Astronomy 10 PCS 4 Flute End Mill Set comes next at just $15.99, which is hard to ignore. This set stood out because it offers a variety of sizes, making it a great choice for anyone needing flexibility in their projects. If you're looking for something budget-friendly with multiple options, this is a must-see. Made from high-speed steel, these bits are designed for high abrasion resistance, which means they can handle tough materials like aluminum and cast iron effortlessly. The set includes sizes ranging from 2 mm to 12 mm, catering to a wide array of machining needs. You can use these for profiling, finishing, and general-purpose machining, which is exactly what you need for versatility. Here's why this matters. Having different sizes means you can tackle various projects without needing to continually purchase new bits. However, some users mentioned that the bits can dull faster than expected. Here's the thing. While they might not last as long as premium options, the price allows for quick replacements, making it more manageable. This is perfect for you if you need a variety of sizes for different tasks without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're only planning to do heavy-duty work that requires the absolute best durability. Given the price, it's a fantastic deal for beginners and casual users. If you're looking for more durability, The next one might catch your interest. Product number 4. Speed Tiger ISE Carbide in Mill. Check out the Speed Tiger ISE Carbide in Mill 1/8 size, priced at $33.87. This one gained my attention because of its high-quality construction and impressive reviews. If you're serious about machining and want something that can handle tough materials, this is definitely worth your time. This in mill is made from micro-grain carbide, providing exceptional toughness and durability. The LTBN coating adds stability at higher temperatures, which is essential when you're machining harder materials. Plus, it boasts high accuracy with an error rate of just -0.02 millimeters, which means you will get professional quality cuts every time. Here's why this matters. If you're working on precision projects, this tool will deliver the results you need without compromise. That said, some users found it a bit pricey compared to others. But here's the thing. If you value precision and durability, this investment pays off in the long run through fewer replacements and better results. This is perfect for you if you're focused on achieving high-quality finishes in your work. Skip this if you're looking for something inexpensive or just starting out. Considering its performance, it's a solid tool for dedicated machinists. Now, if you want something even more affordable, let's look at the next option. Product number 5. Outinks 8 PCS in mill bit set. Finally, we have the Outinks 8 PCS in mill bit set for just $14.99. This caught my attention for its balance of quality and price. If you want a simple, effective set for various materials, this one is worth considering. These in-mill bits are designed for high processing efficiency, thanks to their sharp edges that can handle heat-treated materials quite well. The U-shaped groove design at the bottom reduces cutting resistance, making for easier chip removal and faster machining. This is particularly valuable when working with aluminum, as it helps maintain speed and cleanliness in your cuts. Here's why this matters. If you're looking to minimize downtime and waste, this design is a game changer. However, some users pointed out that the set lacks finer sizes. Here's the thing. If you're working mainly with medium to larger materials, this won't be an issue. But if you need precision for smaller tasks, you might want to consider alternatives. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable set for general machining on aluminum and steel. Skip this one if you require a wide size range for finer detail work. For the price, it's a good value for anyone looking to get started without spending too much. So we've covered a range of options. The Jinmitsu set for versatility, Joili for budget-friendly reliability, Astronomy for variety, Speed Tiger for high precision, and Outinks for overall value. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs before making a choice. Happy machining!